Welcome back to Euro Truck Simulator 2 with me, Chili Smith, driving the Sweet Truckle. Not quite Sweet Truckle, I've got 219,000 euros now. Getting on, bang and gong. 135,000 euros in 7 days profit. That's pretty good. We're currently in Bulgaria. This is Sweet Truckle part 43, job 43. Let's see what we got in Bulgaria. Pleven is where we are. Pretty sure. Took some long metal bars, aluminium, something. Vans. To Grr. Where's that? Where's Grr? Greece, surely. Ooh, look at that. Where's that going to? Island off Greece, off Turkey, one of the two. That's Greece, look. Grr. Vans. It's an expensive ferry ride. It's a 21-hour trip. 549 on land. That's all the way through Bulgaria, part of Greece, and no, it's too far. Istanbul, Kosovo, square tubing, roof tiles to Romania, Galati. So we'll go back up. Sofia. Heat exchangers. Oh, that's a thingy one. 36 euros a kilometre. And it's 160 kilometres. That's a good pay of that, isn't it? What we got? Heavy and high value. 18 by 4 by 8 times 8. 70 tons. Not that far, but where's that? Turkey. Some logs. Forklifts into Romania. Sofia. Massive tech parts. Is that heavy? 44 tons, not that heavy. High value. Sofia. Craiova. Craiova, me. Been there. One more page. Oh, nearly double clicked that then by mistake. Thinking that was going to touch the next page. I can. Then that to a quarry. Pleven to Sofia. Rough terrain forklift. That's going to be quite big, isn't it? Barley. Oh, Karlova. Water tank. They're not much, are they? Let's go for. I'm taking so long deciding. Istanbul's a bit far. So is Kosovo. Up into Romania, do a bit more Romania maybe. Sofia. Dean. A roller. Should we do that one? Yeah, we'll do a roller. D-Y-N-A-C-C. What sort of roller it is? Paint roller? Or should we do the 22 tons of logs? Do 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 do. Bop bop bop. Do 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 do. Metal centering. What's that? Where's E2? Istanbul. Heavy and urgent. Oh, I don't know, you know. Urgent, fragile, high value. Oh, and that's too far. Tiles, logos. I reckon we'll go for that one. 8 tons of roller. Get a bit more Bulgaria done. See where we go from there. Let's tech job. What are we in? Adolf. I could have gone for a higher paying job. The last few jobs I've done have been higher payers, but I don't know. It's been an hour long video really. A bit too long for people to watch, I think. So say good evening to Douglas.
Okay, here we go.
Don't like these trucks. I'm sure you've heard me say that before. So we're alright for fuel. Lights on. Definitely. Let's get this wagon. We'll show what's on the back. Ooh, 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 ooh. Quick look. Ooh, it's a roller. It's a roller. Cool. Let's get this roller delivered then. Not very heavy. Swing it about. Might be a bit long. Keep me on the back end. Is that rubbish all over the street?
Turn right.
It's disgusting. We're all good. Let's go for it. Alright, it's got a collision warning on. Oh. Someone needs to get the streets swept, cleaned up. Looks like
Get ready to turn right.
Like dustmen have been there for a while.
Turn right.
I keep knocking me. Oh, see that? Oh. I keep knocking my mouse again. First, let's go on the bigger map, hey? I think that flicking was recentering of. There we go.
Keep right, and then turn right.
Ah, that's what the setting
Turn
did.
right.
In the settings, I changed the mirror, the mirror to go back to centering after 3 seconds. So I'm gonna have to change that. 1 sec. Settings. Options. It was in gameplay, I think. Put cables on. There it is. Disabled. There you go. And back to the wagon. Right. Going to the quarry again. I went to the quarry a couple of jobs ago. My first quarry experience in the game. And it was awesome. I've got the hiccups, excuse me. Yeah, it was awesome. Well, hopefully now that won't just be centre. It threw me a bit. I thought it was just going to do it smooth, you know, just like slowly pull it back, not go. I thought it was when I was looking out, proper outside the window, if you know what I mean, like that, rather than just being like that. Straight on, boy. Yeah, I don't like those mirrors on the inside of the cab at all.
Go straight.
Don't care what vehicle it is. It ain't floating my boat. Go straight. It's a roundabout, Dougie. You didn't give me any direction for it. Oh, Policio.
Never mind.
What?
I'll find a new route.
Go straight. You said go straight. That was straight. I'm going round in circles now. Exit here. Right.
Okay, let's find a new route. Go straight.
Where are we going? What have I done? Is this where I've just come from? Where have I gone wrong? Going back on myself, and I need to spin it round. Spinning the whole thing round. Come on. Oh. Don't hit the sign. Right, I'm going back the right way now. So at the roundabout, go straight on. He said.
Go straight.
I'm going straight. But I still went wrong. Up there. That's not straight, that's to the right. Dougie's having a meltdown. What's up with him? Right, let's get this roller rolling. Boom, 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 boom. Don't think we need 10th gear, do we? Right, where were we? Pleven. That's where we were. Go 90 now. No. 70 apparently. Suppose it's built up area, isn't it? So it's a bit slower. I'm still speeding. Slow down, you're gonna hurt somebody. Well, stop. It's a peaceman, beastman, beastman, policeman, policeman, beastman, and I'm speeding and I'm going off the road. Oh my lord. 90 now, look, there we go. Crack on.
Keep right.
Keep right.
Then exit right.
Exit right.
Exit right.
Thanks, Doug. Down to 70. Look at that, like a glove. Can't see much on these dark roads. It's a sweeper, it's a sweeper, it's a sweeper. Why is it lit up so much behind me and not in the front? It's weird, that. Should we test out the horn? It's a kid's toy again. What's that about? It's a kid's toy. I've not done my seat either. 175 to go. A full beam for a bit. I've put that on a button. So I'm to lean over my computer and press K. Okay. I didn't see a 50-mile-an-hour sign.
Go straight.
Have I got right away? I hope so. I can never tell because they just jump out on you. Stick to. Oh, there we go. I don't need the toilet. 60. We'll stay in that gear. Still got my high beam on. High beam? Yeah, we need a poo-poo. There we go. No one's in services. It's going to be there for 1:05 in the morning. It's due 50. What's this tight little road, isn't it? Does that mean we're coming onto a motorway? We've got roadworks. Don't know, it's a tunnel. Is that why? Sofia, that's where we're going. 109 kilometres. We're going 144 kilometres, so it's not there. Boom, 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 boom. We're in a tunnel. Oh, I still got my high beam on. No. Don't need it on now, do we? Right. Time's it due there. Between 8 and 3, and we're going to be there at 1. Hope we don't get penalised for being there too early. I say that every time. Not many street lights around here. So. Well, I hope you had a nice Monday and it was your last day at work. If you got to work tomorrow, then thanks for all your working over the Christmas period. Hopefully you'll be having a bit of time off with the family and having a jolly old time and a rest, a good rest. Dark, that's really dark. That's really sharp. I'm catching up with man in front, look. Policeman, beastman, beastman, Babylon, 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 Babylon. So my deputies, whoop, whoop, whoop. It's the po-po. Was it a bit of an urgent delivery? Is it just... I know it's only worth about 6,000. 6,000. 6,000 only takes me a day. I'd take that if I was a lorry driver. Don't pay that money, I'll tell you now for a fact. Cracking on, 84 clicks to go. It'll be interesting to see what the quarry is like in the dark. Slow down. Yeah, look at that. Swing around, keep going. Lovely. Look at that boat beneath us.
Keep left.
Okay. That mean that? I think I just meant that, didn't it? We're making good time with our roller. Let him come in.
Keep left.
I'm keeping left, Dougie. Thank you for the heads up. Let's have a honk. It's awful. Oh! A steers, obviously. I thought it might be air horn. Obviously that's keyboard controls A and D, left and right.
Keep left.
I thought it might be air horn. You call them horns, air horns. We call them what do we call them? Yeah, I'm going this way.
Keep right, and then exit right.
Okay.
Exit right.
That's wrong. Or is it right? Oh, I'm unsure, you know, I'm going to follow my gut.
Keep right.
You've got me computing. That's the main thing. I thought I'd messed up there. Oh. So you give me right away there. Looks like it now. Okay. Whee, up the hill. Steep. Collision. Get some gears up. There we go. Almost there.
Do you even listen to me?
I do, but he didn't say anything, Dougie. What was that? I didn't see. What? That was weird, wasn't it? What was it?
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Straight over.
Exit now.
Oh yeah? Alright. Why am I there and he's out there? What have I done wrong? I'm in someone's driveway. Just popped in. Said hello. You alright, mate? How you doing? Now, the entrance to the last quarry was dodgy.
Get ready to turn right.
Left? Right? Yeah.
Turn right.
I'm sure he said turn left. Get ready to turn left. Sure he did. Right, up this lane here. high beam on so we can see what we're doing. Let's get up some gears. That don't look like it's 5 kilometers. Must
Go
be.
straight.
Oh, that's tight, isn't it? Think we're good. Roll it in.
Get ready to turn right.
Roll it in. Roll it in. Going up there.
Turn right.
Roll it in. Oh, a bit bobbly.
It's all over now.
It's all over, baby. Not quite. We've got to park it yet. We have to go for the hard one, aren't we? I'm not going to ask why that's hard. It obviously is. Red flag. Okay, let's go. In the dark. Is it up here? Can't see anything over there. Don't want to skip parking, do we? No, this is the best bit. Getting it wrong. Get around all this stuff. There? Well, I've got a special ramp to put it up. Ah, that's probably why it's hard. Do that, I reckon. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looking good. I need to come round a bit. That way? No. Other way. Well, I want it. Keep going. Could be alright, you know. Looks alright. Looks alright. Round a bit. I'm alright, say, you know. Now swing it. Now swing it. I want to hit the cab. Oh, look at that. First time for a 90. I think was that hard? There we go. Job 43. Extra 5,000. Oh, we're level 13 now. We're a skilled worker still. Nah. Job complete, mate. On time, high cargo boy experience, efficiency, XP, boom. And there we go. Ooh! What should we go for? What should we go for? Ideally, we want to something that's going to increase our pay. Fragile. So high value and fragile, we get more rewards, 15% high reward. Or do we go for that? Flammable liquids. Corrosive. So how's this long distance thing work then? Long distance. Oh right. It is anywhere longer than 1,500 kilometers. Oh wow, them jobs are going to be mental when you get to that point, aren't they? Right, I'm going to go for... Do you get extra for that? Substantially increased my income, it says for that. Yeah. I think, you know, that might lead to tankers and stuff. Let's do it. There we go. What are these upgrade things that keep popping up? I don't know. Not interested in those. Mud flaps. Mud flaps. Mud flaps. Right. Thanks for joining me. And I will see you in the next one.